Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about healthy food recipes that are not only delicious but also easy to make. If you're looking for some inspiration for healthy meals that will leave you feeling satisfied and energized, then you're in the right place. Recipe number 1: Quinoa Salad. First up, we have a quinoa salad that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Cook quinoa according to package directions and let it cool. Mix in some chopped veggies like cucumber, tomatoes, and bell peppers, and add a handful of fresh herbs like cilantro or parsley. For the dressing, mix together olive oil, lemon juice, and some spices like cumin or paprika. This salad is packed with protein, fiber, and nutrients, and it's so easy to customize with your favorite veggies. Recipe number 2: Sweet Potato and Black Bean Tacos. Next, we have sweet potato and black bean tacos that are perfect for a quick and easy weeknight meal. Roast some diced sweet potatoes in the oven until they're crispy, and mix in some black beans for protein. Serve the sweet potato and black bean mixture in a tortilla with some avocado and salsa on top. These tacos are packed with flavor and nutrients, and they're so satisfying. Recipe number 3: Green Smoothie. Last but not least, we have a green smoothie that's perfect for breakfast or as a midday snack. Blend together some spinach, banana, almond milk, and a scoop of protein powder. You can also add in some other ingredients like chia seeds, nut butter, or berries. This smoothie is packed with vitamins, minerals, and protein, and it's so refreshing. So there you have it. 3 healthy and delicious recipes that are perfect for any time of day. I hope this video has given you some inspiration for your own healthy meals. And don't forget to let me know in the comments below which recipe was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.